Hello and welcome to Euro Diaries. I hope all of you do well and are following the triple mantra of hand hygiene, respiratory hygiene and social distancing. These three things are the most potent ways to fight this virus. Till the time we develop a potent drug or develop a vaccine, which will take a few more months, we can only fight this virus via the three things which I mentioned: social distancing, respiratory hygiene and hand hygiene. Lockdown has been something which none of us has ever faced, and this has caused stress to many of us. And we need to keep physically and mentally stable during this time. To keep ourselves physically fit, we need to follow a regular schedule, regular sleeping hours and regular waking hours. We should have meals at regular times every day, and while eating should try and eat nutritious food, take in some helpings of fruits, and make sure that we supplement our diet with multivitamins like vitamin E, vitamin C and vitamin D. These will help us boost our immunity, not specifically against coronavirus, but holistically our immune system would be stronger and better equipped to fight this virus. The other thing we could do to be physically fit is to exercise regularly. If you have a home gym, nothing like working out 30 to 60 minutes in the gym, or otherwise you could walk on your terrace or roof for the similar amount of time. And in case we don't have access to that, then we could exercise within our rooms. There are many sources available on social media where you can learn up exercises. Start up with the beginners exercises and gradually build your way up. The other thing we could do to keep physically fit is to take care of our hygiene and make sure everyone around us in our home also does same. We need to make sure that the hygiene around our homes and anything coming into our house is also taken care of. To keep ourselves mentally fit, we need to follow the regular schedule which I just mentioned, and also during the waking hours keep ourselves occupied with something. We could indulge in hobbies, we could read whatever takes your fancy, cook, anything simple, not necessarily fancy. You could watch movies which you had never seen, watch web serials which are the rage of the moment, but obviously don't overindulge in them. At the same time, you could spend time with your family, play games, talk, look up your old friends, call them up every day, organize your files, your bills. So this will keep yourself mentally occupied and make sure that your mind is not vacant, which becomes the devil's workshop. Some of us would have had prosthetic problems prior to the lockdown and might be on medications for their prosthetic problems. Do continue your medications as advised by your urologist. Do not experiment with your medication at this time. Three things which you could do to prevent any worsening of your symptoms would be: don't overdo with your fluid intake, especially drinks containing caffeine and alcohol. Avoid constipation by regular diet, regular exercise, and taking some over-the-counter medication in case the first two things don't work. And the third thing you could do is avoid to delay passing urine. If once you have an urge, go and pass urine. And just in case your symptoms get worse, do not hesitate to contact your doctor and get adequate treatment for worsening symptoms. Luckily, this virus has not been found in urine. So patients who have urological disease should not fear that they would have more tendency to have COVID-19 infection or a more virulent form of COVID-19 infection. However, many of us have comorbidities like diabetes, that is raised blood sugar, hypertension, raised blood pressure, and respiratory diseases like asthma, chronic bronchitis. These conditions do make the course of disease much more virulent, so we should be careful and take adequate care of these conditions by whatever dietary advices we have been given, follow the medications which have been advised to us. One more thing that we need to do is for patients who might have malignancy in the urinary tract. So in case you have been told that your cancer of your kidney, bladder or prostate is low grade, waiting out a few weeks would not do you much harm. But those who have gotten high grade cancer in any of these locations, do not hesitate to seek medical help even during the lockdown. Before I end, I'll urge all of you to have empathy for the frontline warriors who are fighting this battle for you. Starting from the vegetable man, the milkman, the fruit seller, the sanitation staff, the policemen, the paramedics, and of course the doctors. I urge you once again, take care, stay safe, and God bless.